Placing sticking beneath the timber is helpful for sliding the strap underneath. The other thing that's important is that the strap be placed such that you are not covering a mortise underneath, either the mortise for the tenon on the post or the brace mortise. Once you have your straps in place, we're going to move up here to a more dramatic one where we're actually putting up a ridge beam. Make sure you have your braces handy and that they are oriented and the ends are cut if necessary. So here we go. Up goes that beam. The gin pole is pulling it up, and the important thing as it goes up at this point is to push out on the cable so that it goes around the staging plank. Good job. Now you get yourself positioned. Once you have the beam over the plank, now you can swing the boom in by reaching up and pushing on the boom so that your beam will now get lined with the posts. Then each person works his end of the beam up until you are positioned over the top of the tenon. And again, pushing the down button, you can get your beam to settle on top of the tenon. Once you're on top of the tenon, you can position your braces beneath and then lower your beam down onto your braces, being sure to allow slack on your gin pole cable.